start this tutorial off in giving away my presets of the two 4K CCs, intro and main comp panning, intro and main comp flicker, Y-shake, and a blur and exposure preset to make this last part of the tutorial easy on you guys. Just follow along with me so you will know where to put the presets at and how to apply them to your edits. The link to the G drive will be in the description.
Inside my house too long, can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on